Hello, today we will see Autor-Loney double diffusion practical antibody titration. For that, we will require micropipette, 70% ethanol, DI, tips, tissue paper, measuring cylinder, glass beaker, puncture apparatus, agarose powder, glass slide, antigen, antiserum, assay buffer, moist chamber, Bunsen burner, discard beaker. First, we will prepare 10 ml of 1% agarose solution. For that, first we will weigh 0.1 gram of agarose on weighing balance. After weighing, we will add 10 ml of 1x assay buffer. 10 ml 1x assay buffer is prepared by adding 1 ml of 10x assay buffer and 9 ml of sterile distilled water. Then slightly mix it and keep it on a Bunsen burner. Boil till the agarose powder get dissolved. After agarose powder get dissolved, cool down the solution to 55 to 65 degree. Then add the solution on grease-free glass slide. Add the solution drop by drop and evenly on the glass slide to maintain the proper thickness. Then allow the gel to set for a 30 minutes. Then place the glass slide on a template. Puncture the well with the help of puncture apparatus. Use the gentle suction to prepare proper wells. After puncturing of the well, prepare the serial dilution of antiserum as per this figure. First add the 1x assay buffer in all the 5 appendoff for the dilution. Then take the antiserum, add 10 microliter of the test antiserum into the first vial and mix well. The dilution of the antiserum in this vial is 1:2. Then transfer the 10 microliter of 1:2 diluted antiserum from the first vial into the second vial, and this dilution is 1:4. Repeat the dilution up to fifth vial as shown in the previous figure. After dilution of antiserum, add the antigen and antiserum to the well as per this template. Add antiserum of dilution 1:2. Then add antiserum of dilution 1:4. Then add remaining dilution, that is 1:8, 1:16 and 1:32, and undiluted sample as per the template. Then at last add 10 microliter of antigen to the central well. Then after all addition, keep the slide on the moist chamber and keep this moist chamber in a incubator at 37 degree for overnight. After the overnight incubation of a plate, observe the presence of precipitin line between the center antigen well and corresponding serially diluted antisera wells, and note the titer value of the test antigen. Titer value of the antiserum is the dilution of the antiserum where the precipitin line is no longer observed. Here, the titer value of the test antiserum is found to be 1:8.